Hey guys, it's just coming up to break time, 10 o'clock, and I thought I'd just nip down to the bowls greens, have a quick look, see what they're looking like. Remember, we've had a little bit of rain, okay? Oh dear. Now, the grips are about 6 inches deep, and it comes over the grip. So yeah, you could say we've had a little bit of rain. Not good really. It covers, I would say about half the green, nearly 3/4 actually looking at it. And yet, number 2 green, totally empty. How's that work? So yeah. The power of rain then, eh? What are we going to do? We're just going to let it disappear on its own. Oh well. Catch you later guys. Have a good one.